Hello, my name is John Hauk. I've been in the nail industry for over 20 years and I've won 300 competitions worldwide. Today I'm a guest artist at the Nail Superstore, and today I'm going to be showing you a variety of products and styles. Alright, I'm going to show you a very easy way to make a rock star nail. I've gone ahead and prepped the nail. I'm going to use the equalizer on the natural nail plate only. That's a prep. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Easy On, Easy Off gel. I'm going to apply a very small amount across the nail. I'm going to start at the cuticle. I'm going to float my brush all the way down to the free edge, never letting my brush leave the product. What I would suggest at this point is just to flash cure it for about 60 seconds. Then we're going to sprinkle in the glitter. We have a wide variety of glitters and shapes and sizes that you can use for any application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of glitter and then I'm just going to pinch it and gently sprinkle it on the nail. Just want to lightly and randomly apply the glitter. We suggest to use a dedicated brush into cleaning up any nail art, glitters, or projects. I'm going to use Instant Seal to finish off the top. After a 2-minute cure, I'm going to simply finish off with some cuticle oil. And as you can see, it's a very quick and easy way for some nail art a lot of people call rock star.